There are no other women in my life except for you. And it is because of you that there will never be any other woman in my life. I know that our love story might not have been like a fairy tale, but we made it work. We made it through the rough patches and the hard times. We held each other up when we felt like giving up. We supported each other's dreams and ambitions. We encouraged each other to be the best version of ourselves. That is why I know that our love is real, true, and everlasting. You make me feel like a man who is loved, cared for, and cherished. With you by my side, I can face anything. With you by my side, I can conquer any challenge. With you by my side, I can dream big and aim high. You give me strength, courage, and confidence. You inspire me, motivate me, and push me forward. You help me grow, learn, and evolve. You also make me feel like a man who is grateful, blessed, and fortunate. I am fortunate for every choice you make that leads us closer to each other. You are the one who challenges me to become better. You are the one who inspires me to pursue my dreams. You are the one who supports me through my struggles. You are the one who encourages me when I'm down. You are the one who comforts me when I'm sad. You are the one who listens to me when I need to talk. You are the one who loves me when I don't love myself. I chose you because when we were together, time stood still. All the hours spent with you were worth it. And in your eyes, I saw a reflection of my soul. Now, don't get me wrong. There have been moments when life tried to push us apart.
You're gonna be sad. Take me somewhere.
When challenges and problems seemed to stand between us like an unbreachable wall, whispering doubts that threatened to tear us apart. But our love story is not defined by those fleeting moments of doubt or the distance that sometimes stretched between us. You are my best friend. The foundation of our love is built on a bedrock of friendship, a bond that was forged in the fires of honesty and nurtured by shared laughter and understanding.
Take me somewhere.
devotion so profound it resonates with the rhythm of my very being.
Take me somewhere.
Our love story began with a spark, a single flame that has now evolved into an inferno of desire and affection.
You're gonna be sad. Take me somewhere.
Each touch, each kiss deepens this bond, weaving our souls together in an eternal dance of love. Remember our first date. Your kisses, they tell stories that words can't express, weaving tales of devotion and longing in every stolen moment. You are my soulmate. Destiny brought us together, orchestrating a cosmic dance of fate that defies the odds and whispers of a bond that transcends time itself.
Take me somewhere.
You are my soulmate, the other half of my whole, the missing piece of my soul that fit perfectly in your place. With you, there is an unexplainable connection, an intuitive bond that transcends words.
Take me somewhere. You're gonna be sad.